for session number 2. And what I want to do is kind of just set this up as we have a couple of speakers in this session. In the city of Rome, well, in the first century, it was like most large U.S. metro areas, if you can want to try to imagine it that way, pretty highly competitive in the climate of things, pretty cutthroat in the city of Rome, whether in the sporting arena or in the marketplace. And some of that competitive elitism actually seemed to have crept into the church. Such believers were thinking this way. Some of them were thinking they had more important spiritual gift than others did. And well, with a superior gift like that, then came power. And of course comes influence and authority and, well, boy, that secularized ethic, that secularized mindset, it really tempts us to think about making my mark and leaving my mark as the top priority for my existence. And that secularized thinking of being superior to others really tempts me and tempts people in Rome, I should say, to make a lasting impression so that my name lasts longer than yours does. That esteem actually can become corrupt and can really decay the health of the church. But the Christian ethic is actually different than that sort of a mindset. It's one that is not about me, ourselves, but about how to offer my spiritual gift to benefit others. I mean, what if it wasn't my spiritual gift in the first place or at all? Actually, the Spirit's gifting isn't for me, it's for we. I mean, what would the church be like if I used my gift for you? Not for me, but for you. That you become more popular, you become more esteemed, that you become more noticed, and that you use your gift for another with the same sort of a motive to build them up and to edify. I think we'd be a community that actually is focused on making a lasting impression where Jesus' name is not forgotten and Jesus' name is remembered. Okay, there's the setup for Scott Lerwick. Scott Lerwick serves as our Vice President of Institutional Advancement. He is succeeding David DeVolt, who is stepping away into retirement. Scott's going to guide us. Scott's going to guide us into how well we are each faithfully stewarding the gift that the Spirit has given us. And then right after Scott, Cody Christensen will come right up. Cody serves as our Vice President of Institutional Operations and Director of Admissions at the college. And he's going to guide us toward the Christian ethic of selfless love, manifested in how we are to become like the suffering servant and walk in his shoes.